Right. Now in our last video tutorial, we have configured the port how to install the CROS, right? So in order to accessing the RESTful API, you have to install this dependency. You have to put into your dependency. I already told how to install them. You are using the node I cross, right? Press enter key. A dependency has been installed successfully. After that, what you are going to do is you have to type these lines. After type this line, you have to dependencies. After that, you have to import it here. App use cross. That's the thing you have to do it. Right. Now let's change the port and port 7000 because I have tested because the 6000 port some programming is running, so that I have a problem with the port issue. So I have changed it as a 7000. Right. If I change the 7000 port in my API also I have changed it as 7000. Here also you have changed it as 7000 port. Then only the application will be work, right? So everything I have changed it as 7000 port. Now let file save all, run back to my application. So I just run it over here. Node server.js. My server is starting on the 7000 port. Mongodb has been connected successfully. Now let's back to here. Here also I'm going to open and run my terminal to npm run dev. Now the application is running. You can see here. Here, right. Now you just copy this line. Back to here. Here it's working. Right. Now I will be able to add the task. The new task. The new task. Date. Task complete. Click on this new task registration successfully. It will registration successfully. Click on this edit option. The editable record will be passing to the passing successfully. You will be able to edit the record. If you want to delete the record, you will be able to delete the record as well, right? All things you will be able to do it, right? So I'm going to explain the code. So here you will be able to see that this all the source code I provide you. You will be able to use it in your website, right? So how to build this project I will be already show in the project. Okay, so here this same thing here. These are the simple form designs. Okay, I'll be already show. Okay, using the this is the table we are created by the Tailwind CSS, right? If you have any problem with Tailwind CSS, you just go. I already show how to configure the CSS. So here you have to go CSS Tailwind CSS form design form. Here you can put this code. It will be working. I'll be already show. This is a project. Okay, form, right? Form. You can get the CSS form. If you have CSS Tailwind CSS. Tailwind CSS, no, some name. Okay, Tailwind CSS. You have type table. This table layout I have just copy and paste. This is a same table layout here. You will be able to take this table layouts. Here this table layouts codes. Okay, I have get them from here, right? So you no need to write the code. You just same thing like a bootstrap. You just pick up here. Here you will be able to change the this all over and fix it. All the styles are there. You just apply and check your project. Okay, table layouts are there. Okay, see here you just form also TSL form. If you type the form, you can get a form template as well. I already show you this one. Okay, here you can get them and put into your project and be work this accordingly. Okay, so I already show this form design. I have put this. You can use this form design as well and your table design. Okay, so here I will give you this all the source code to you, right? So here this is the design. Okay, this design here, this is the React. Okay, we have what's the value task you are typing on this particular input field. It will be stored here. It's on change event. The value will be stored here, right? The same thing description it will be stored into set description, this method, right? This date also set here. Okay, what is the value you are selecting? It will be selected here, right? When you click save button, it goes to the all the values should be coming here. Title, description, here, scope here. Title, description, due date, and task. It will be assigned these particular variables. So when you click save button, it goes to the particular API. What's the API we are given here? This API, the same front end is coming from the form. This form is set. This is the database values. Okay, it will be at your database. After at this database, we have to clear off all the this methods. Okay, these methods. Okay, in React, when you're storing the value, we can't store directly. We have to use state. This how we have to store the values. Okay, you have to use state. You have to create this method in your input field. That method can store and assign to this particular variables. After that, it will be add the data into the database. You can clear up other fields. The same thing when you click edit button, it goes to the data into the your this method and display your form. Right? After that, you will be able to delete the record. After you will be able to update the record, you have to use the particular ID. Right? When you click the edit button, you have an edit button here. Here, click edit. This is a function, delete function. It goes to the relevant method. Okay, don't worry, this is all the source code I provide you. You can use it. Right? I go. So here you can go to the project. If you click here, go to the edit button. That should be the ID. Okay, get this unique ID for editing or delete the record. So here, when you go to here, when you click the edit button, here, when you click the edit button, we have to load the task. Okay, all the values are going to task along with the ID. Okay, so we have to go here. Editable record will be passing to the form. After you make the changes, click update button. It goes to the respective website API. It's an update. Update API. We have written here in your backend. What you written in the backend? You can check it here. Create task patch method. You have to actually just a patch method. Okay, update. That you have to update the record. So you have to update the record. You have to delete the record. You have to use the delete. Okay, these are things we have to use it. Right? So here I have to do it here as well. But the request can update task. What's the ID coming here? It will, if it's a patch method, it will be update the record. Right? Okay, so fetch method is update record. For delete record, there's a delete method. The record, the value should be deleted here. This is the respective API. Right? So API, it's get the API and delete the request. This how we have made the application. You don't worry, this also code I provide you in my website. You will be able to get them and you will be able to do the project. Thank you for watching.